Hello, it's Terry. I'm going to talk today about how you can make any website pretty much in a format that is portable. And by that I mean that you don't have to be tethered to the internet in order to still read that website. And what's also nice about this is that you can mark it up. So if you need to make some annotations on it, or if you want to actually write specific comments, you can still do that. And by that format, and I'm talking about using the iPad, it would be using a PDF. And it's pretty simple in order to make any website into a PDF. So I'm going to show you a couple ways. And let's get started. Okay, so first, we are a MacBook. Every district, all of the teachers have one, and I think it's a great tool, and it'll be a little faster if we use your MacBook. And I'm going to go to Safari over here. I'm going to click on that browser, and it's up. So first thing I do is I've already found an article that I thought was kind of neat today, and it was about grasshoppers, and it would be great for middle school or high school science teachers if they're looking at experimental design. It's a great article, but if you notice there's a lot of noise around it. And so why this is my preferred method is because in Safari there is a button that says Reader. So here's the article. I want you to see it, and what happens if you've never seen it, when you click Reader, it takes away all of the noise. Voila! By that I mean all of the distractions that sometimes students have when they read web articles online. Strips them off, still keeps the text, keeps important images, and it also includes pertinent little websites. It's all still clickable. Alright, so I've got my website that I want to make a PDF, and so you notice something. If I start to take my cursor and hover over the middle of the screen, a new menu appears, and that is a menu I want. I'm going to click on where it says print this page. When I do, over here in the bottom left it says PDF, because I really don't want to print it something, I want to make it a PDF. When I click on PDF, I get the option to save as PDF, and I can call it maybe grasshoppers, and I may want to change my title. I don't want to make that a big long one. Here we go. Grasshoppers Sing Science article. Great title. And I can hit save, and I saved it in my preferred place, and it's done. Oh my goodness, I've got a PDF already ready to go. And so that's how simple I did it. So if I'm going to move my article down, hello, I'm going to bring this up. So we went to a website to a PDF, and how we did this, my preferred method, is I went through the Safari web browser, and I went to the selected website. I clicked on Reader, clicked on the middle of the bottom of the page to bring up the menu, then it was just print, PDF, and I clicked to save as PDF. Now that we have the PDF, which you'll see over here, I saved it to my desktop. I can now take this and put it and send it to my students in a way that is preferred. If you're still in the emailing all my students when I want them to have something, you can send it as an attachment, and when the students open it on their iPads, they can open it they'll have that option in Notability. Another option would be to put it on a website. We have SchoolWire's website here in the St. Joe School District. Start making links that the kids can access at the same place and they know where to go. If you use Edmodo, you can put it there. A little bit more tricky on the Edmodo issue, but we could still get it there. But as long as students have a place where they can open it, and then they just open it in a web, like whatever app you're wanting them to use. And I think Notability is an awesome one for them to be able to read and annotate. Okay, so now I said I was going to show you more than one way, and here's why. I'm going to go back to Safari. I'm going to hit the back arrow over here and just pretend that this article didn't have Reader. All right. Then we could still make this happen. We could still make this into a PDF. So all I need to do is go to File, and I still am going to go to Print. And when I do, notice that the same screen appears where I can go down to the bottom and hit PDF, Save as PDF. The only problem you'll see is that there's going to be some noise. You're going to keep it. But if that's what if it's very important that you have the kids have this information, then you could still use it. Other browsers will work very similarly. So let me bring up Google Chrome. Same website. I'm going to give it a second go into space. Not really. All right, but it's up. And if we go to File, and again, go to Print, Google Chrome sometimes has a little different feel, but you'll see that it brings up the PDF. Again, you're going to have the noise, but on this one, down on the bottom left, it says Open PDF in Preview. And when you can open it in Preview, then just as you would save anything else, you can go down and hit the Save button. All right, so let me recap that one real quick. I'm going to go to this. You don't need to have a million things open, so take those off. And I'm going to bring this. Second option was here. You can use any web browser. When you get to the website and click on Print, and depending on your browser, you can either click on PDF and have the option of saving, or click on Open PDF in Preview, and you can save it as a PDF there. Now, if you have any questions, you can still get a hold of any of us. Again, I'm Terry Johnson. So we have our district email. I'm not going to mess with fixing that. But if you just type in instructional.technology@sjsd.k12.mo.us, we can get back with you. All right? Thank you. You have a great day.